subject, and then essen and trinken. So, was möchtest du essen? Was möchtest du trinken? What would you like to eat? What would you like to drink? We're going to be talking about Germans' like cake and coffee time that they have in the afternoon. British do their tea time. Germans have their coffee time. All right? But if you're with a friend, you may not necessarily be drinking coffee. Okay? So we'll talk about all of that. So, essen. Essen. A lot of these we can use with the phrase ein Stück in front of it. Not necessarily all of them, because some of it doesn't quite work. So, but we will have here, for example, ein Stück Kuchen. And then you could say, ich möchte ein Stück Obst. Sometimes that doesn't work, ich möchte Obst. In Obst, we have, for example, Apfel, Birne, Banane, Orange. So you could say, I would like a piece of cake, ein Stück Kuchen. Ich möchte Obst, I would like fruit. And you can say there specifically Apfel, Birne, Banane, Orange. And we'll go into that in just a second. Okay, a few other phrases that we have here that we went over. Ein paar Kekse, a few cookies. Ein Gebäck, pastries. And Germans do pastries, right? Or you could say, ich möchte nichts, danke. I would like nothing. Thank you. Okay, and if you want to be specific about fruit, you don't put ein Stück in front of it, but you can say, ich möchte einen Apfel. Ich möchte eine Birne, ich möchte eine Banane, ich möchte eine Orange. And when we see einen here, and we're going to talk about why it is einen and not ein or eine, as we've seen so far. Well, we'll talk about einen very soon. So, and then Getränke, we have here eine Cola, ein Mineralwasser, ein Leitungswasser. Okay, so now Germans drink sparkling mineral water. That's just what they drink. And so, you know, Perrier is what we have, and Germans have various forms of Mineralwasser. If you really want tap water, then you can say, ich möchte ein Leitungswasser trinken. If you really want tap water. Other Getränke, ich möchte eine Limo. That's the opposite of cola. It's clear, very sweet. Okay, we were talking about lemon lime soda, Sprite. Ich möchte eine Limonade, not a limo, Limonade, lemonade. Ich möchte einen Apfelsaft, ich möchte einen Orangensaft. Apple juice, Apfelsaft, Orangensaft, orange juice. Okay, and we see einen again on these. And then other Getränke, we see coffee drinks. All coffee drinks tend to use einen. Ich möchte einen Kaffee. Ich möchte einen Cappuccino, and I think I misspelled cappuccino on that. Ich möchte einen Espresso. Okay, you can say, ich möchte einen Macchiato if you want. And then other ones here, we have, ich möchte eine Tee. Eine Tee. So other Getränke that we had here, we had eine heiße Schokolade. So ich möchte eine heiße Schokolade. Ich möchte einen Kakao. They're two different things. Eine heiße Schokolade, a hot chocolate. Einen Kakao is kalt, yeah? So that is a chocolate milk. All right. You can also use these three phrases here to attach to any one of those items. If you forget, is it einen, is it eine, is it ein? Okay. You could say, ich möchte eine Tasse Kaffee. I would like a cup of coffee. So Spanish speakers, you should be able to pick out what tasse means really easy. Or you might say, ich möchte ein Glas Cola. If you forget that it's eine Cola. Ich möchte ein Glas Cola. Or you could say, ich möchte einen Becher Kaffee. Now, Becher can be a little bit tricky because, yes, it does mean mug, but it also means a bowl. So you can say, you want a bowl of coffee? No, you'd understand by context a mug of coffee or a cup of coffee. All right, so that is food and drinks. Let's study that vocabulary for the weekend, and I'll see you on Monday.